Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about the value scale chart. In design, it's most important to give its life. Color used in different degrees of lightness and darkness. The value of color is the second dimension of color. The second dimension of color is the value or the variation in darkness and the lightness. There will produce an effect of color in the design. Color is the great important as the meaning for the people. Value is the degree of the lightness and darkness in any hue, for example light blue and dark blue. By adding through the white color and by adding the degree amount of the black color. No color can has be light as white or as color as dark. It is the degree of lightness and darkness in the various areas of the design. Such areas may range from black through gray to white. There is relationship between the size and position taken together constitute of light and darkness pattern to the design. Sometimes light and shade is effect of nature and is controlled by the position of the sunlight or other light source. The resulting pattern may or may not be good, but the value range from the use the pattern of the light and dark color. Light and the dark color, it will be produce an important factor in the design. Color value refer to the lightness and darkness of a hue. It's by adding to a black and by adding the white color. By adding to a hue, value are low, and by adding a white, the value is high. No color can be as light as white and dark. So there is many different effect the source of light, but the light the dimension of the value scale show the lightness and darkness of color. You can see in this picture high key tonal value, intermediate key tonal value and low key tonal value. Basically, the term value is used in the language of art to refer the value of light. The more light is the higher than the value, white is the highest and the lightest value on the other hand. Black is the lowest and darkest value color has value as well. For example, you see in this picture there are many colors. For example, yellow for example has a relatively high light value, while violet as a relatively low value darker. In this picture you can see the three categories. The upper categories show the high key tonal values, like in this values mostly add the white color. Intermediate key tonal values, this is the pure intensity and pure color you see in the color wheel. And the last value and in the last values low key tonal values, these values show the black color. Value contrast can also create interest in artwork. Our eye tends to draw the area's highest contrast. Value scale chart demonstrate changing of values of tone. Typically the value scale has incredible step running from dark to light or vice versa. Basically scale may also be continuous change the tone, where to blend the tone step are not visible, sometime visible, but sometimes there are many visible changes you can see. For example, you can see in this picture the three categories. First category show the light values, middle categories show the pure values, and third category show the dark values. So gradually you can see gradually upper to lower change the lighter to darker, and from the below you can see the darker to the above. In this slide I can attach the some video. You can show how to make a value scale chart. Value scale chart, there is a 9 steps, and there are make the mid value. There is a 9 step. Mid value show the original color, and the upper value and show the tints, and the lower value show the shades. So how can make the tint and shades, this can define in this video, you can see easily. The degree of lightness and darkness of hue in relation to black and white. The value is a system or organized value. It consists of 9 values ranging from white to black, with several shades of grey in between. These shades of grey make up the meat of a drawing and help to create the illusion of depth and three-dimensional creation. And to raise the value at white, like tint, to low value at black is shade. The higher value increase in size and the lower value decrease in size. Light color, you code the receding colors, and the dark colors you code the advancing colors. Dr. Dean Rose created the value scale chart. A value scale is a way of describing how value change between black and white. One of the most well-known is the Dean Rose create the 9 typical steps. This value scale of tone within the art has devised was introduced in 1907, and it's the palette for the painters, and is a theory of tone relationship and instrument expression. Dr. Dean Rose, professor of art at Harvard University, create these 9 steps. They was create 9 step in value scale chart, as they starting with white and black at either the end of 9 value colors. Mix a medium gray with its visually halfway between the white and black. Mix a light gray halfway between the midway and the white. Mix a dark gray halfway between the mid gray and the black. It is the 5th value. 5th value is the pure color. There is no mixing in any color. Create 4 intermediate gray as the value midway between each of the value you as far. The interval between each scale should be equal. You can use the paper and medium use regularly uses, and you create the any ratio of the paint. Like you can add the half teaspoon, you can add the 2 tablespoons. It depends you on what ratio, what recipe you can follow to create the value scale chart. But the mid value is the main color. Above value add the 1 drop, 2 drop the white color, and you can follow the 1 and 2 drop of the white color. Upper value you can also follow the 1 and 2 drop on the below value in the black color, and the upper value show the tints and the lower value show the shades. These typical step create the Dr. Dean Rose. It's for the show the how to create the values color, because there is a very variation of the color in the light and dark tones. So how can minimize and control these colors, so they can create the 9 typical step of the value scale chart. What is the process of the to create the value scale chart? The way to create, you start the white and black at either the end of the 9 value scale. Mix a good amount of a mid-tone gray. A mid-tone is the value usually halfway between the white and your darkest tone. Also show above as the value 5. Paint in your mind tone that divided by the remaining paint into 2 piles. 1 for lighter values and 1 for the darker values. Using the mid-tone gray, add white to create a lighter gray halfway between the mid-tone gray, and white to create value 3. Then divided up the remaining of this and make 2 and 4 values. Using the mid-tone gray makes a dark gray makes the value visual halfway between the mid-gray and black. Create the visual values midway between each of the values 5 and 7 to create the value. Finish by creating value 8. The intervals between each value in the scale should be equal. It notices a leap in value next to each other. May you have added too much white or black. In this picture you can show also the total must be rhythmic and unified value. Value is one of the quality of color, like there is mentioned the red color. All color have a value range, the lighter and dark from there red color from the pink to dark red tone. When colors used to pattern to dark and light, it will be produced as an important factor in any design. Tint are light values. They are made by mixing a color with white. For example, pink is a tint of red and light blue is the tint of blue. In color theory, a tint is a mixture of color of white with reduced darkness, while a shade is a mixture with black with increased darkness. Both processes affect the resulting color mixture relative lightness. A tone is produced either by mixing a color with gray or by both tint and shade. Hue plus white is equal to tint, and hue plus shade is equal to hue plus black is equal to shade, and tint and shade is show the tone. Mixing a color with any neutral color or any colorful chroma like red, yellow, green, any color. Tint and shade of any color show the tone of color. In this slide there is a link to how to create the tint and shade. You can also see in this video. Value key utilize the term major and minor to signify a strong contrast of values or the same or similar values respectively. The value above medium were preferred to as high value and those below medium as low value. Therefore, by combining these terms with the word major and minor key, you can see in this picture there is mentioned the high key, mid key, low key. Mid key show the two colors in the equal amount, and high key show the white color in major amount, and in a low key show the black color in a major amount. But in the mid key there are two colors, white and gray, used in equal amount. High minor key, same or similar value with no more than 3 steps apart, the value scale and all above medium in value. High major key, strong contrast of dark and light value with at least 5 step differences in value with a larger area of high value above value than low. Intermediate minor key, same or similar value with no more than 3 steps apart on the value scale and all in the middle part of the value scale. Intermediate major key, contrast of dark and light value with at least 5 step differences in value with a larger area of middle value. In this picture you can also mention the high value range, low value range. In the mid, pink hue in pure amount, and the above use in the white, and the below use the black. High key color describe the set of color that range from mid-tone hues to white, while low key color span the range from mid-tone to black. In general, the high key range provide a beats option. The role of these color play in the project is a major factor in the mood or atmosphere that create, because color lacks emotion, helps to play up the feeling, just like designer, artists used in a painting or many other things you can use in the light and dark tone in your life. In the last, color is one of the design element used to create feeling in a design, and it's the framework around which the element can be applied. Establish the mood or tone of a space should be more than the first step is the design process. The function and guide me decision you have been the beginning of the color palette, and it is the very important in design is very in the design is most important to give its life. Color are used in different degrees of the lightness and color. Color is that quality of the surface which have the certain rays to light and reflect it, and other absorb the color in any object of their pigment. The resulting pattern may or may not be good, but it depends on the color, because the color is a very important part in any design. So it is the degree of the lightness and the darkness and the various areas of the design is very important. I hope you understand this topic.